What's up folks, Mike here at Welling Watches and welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. We're going to be looking at a watchmaker's knife, but it's not quite the watchmaker's knife that you might think. Now my good buddy Shaun over at Exmoor Blades, he made this knife for me, all completely crafted by hand by him in his own little home workshop, and it is a beautiful, fabulous knife. So I'm just giving a little shout out to my friend Shaun over at Exmoor Blades because he's produced this beautiful blade. And as you can see in the handle, which is an epoxy resin, there are pocket watch parts that have been placed in the epoxy resin as it's set, and it's a beautiful like blue brown pearlescent finish. And same on the other side, there's some other parts there set in this epoxy handle which has been polished. Absolutely stunning quality. And the blade itself is a nice heavy carbon steel, really strong, super rigid with a good nice weight to it. So this is what I use in the kitchen for cutting up vegetables and meat and other general kitchen related duties. So it's a beautiful blade, and as you can see it's already had some marks and wear from me using it in the kitchen every day for the past couple of weeks. And just here on the near the hilt you can see the Exmoor Blades logo, which is his own personal stamp on the blade. So it really is a truly brilliant blade. Now I've been cooking for well over 20 years, and a lot of the knives that I've had have been really nice and really great, but they're very uncomfortable on my hands because I hold knives in a very particular way. And Shaun was more than happy to accommodate me, and he's made me a grip with a thinner front end so that when I'm gripping it I don't get calluses on my fingers. So he's produced this blade, which is an absolutely beautiful blade. Not only does it look really good, but it performs really well, and it's super sharp. And I was actually quite intimidated to use it to begin with, but now that I've been using it a while, Shaun, I haven't cut myself yet. Come close, but not quite cut myself as yet. So this is a shout out to him because he's produced this beautiful blade, and he does have some really cool videos here on YouTube. So it's definitely worth checking him out. So I'm going to add a link to his channel below in the description, and I'm going to add his channel to some of the featured channels that I have on my channel. So if you want to check him out, I really advise you do. He does some other knives. He doesn't just do kitchen knives. He does absolutely all sorts, and he even makes the leather sheaths that go on the knives. He does the hand stitching. He does epoxy resin handles, wooden handles, antler handles. He does absolutely all sorts, and he's a top guy. So you really want to go and check out his channel. I advise you do that. So follow the link in the description and go give Shaun a look up. But that's it for now, and a big thank you to Shaun for the knife. This is an absolute godsend in my kitchen. Use it every day. I love it. It's really nice. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon, bud. Take care.